Did you know you can create any visual you want, without paying a single dollar? This free AI tool lets you generate realistic, high-resolution images, and even edit them. You can expand the size, remove objects, or add anything you want. It also lets you create super smooth, high-quality videos from just text, and they look as good or even better than videos made with expensive AI tools. You can also turn images into videos, make talking avatars, and use a canvas to edit your images or add text to them. And the best part? It's all unlimited and completely free. Now, let me show you this amazing tool and how it works. But before we start, I have one small request. Please like the video so it can reach more people, and subscribe, it really helps me keep making content like this. Thanks, and let's get started. This tool is called Dreamina AI. It's CapCut's next-generation AI platform that lets you create images, avatars, and even videos, just by typing a simple prompt. Or using an image you already have. To start using it, let's sign in. Check the box, then sign in using your Google account, or any of the other login options. Enter your birthday, click Next, and now you're in the workspace. On the left side, you'll see a few tabs: Explore, where you can view creations made by others. Create, where all your own generated images will show up. Assets, where anything you upload will be saved. And Canvas, which we'll talk about later. Now, let's try generating an image. At first, you might see that only the image generation tool is available, while the video and avatar tools are locked. That just means Dreamina isn't fully available in your country yet. But no worries, we can fix that using a VPN. I use a free one called Windscribe. The link is in the description. Go to the site and click Get Windscribe, then choose the Chrome extension, download it, and click Add to Chrome. When it's done, pin it from your extensions bar. Now open Windscribe and click Get Started. Choose the free plan, create a username and password, email is optional, and click Create Account. Sign in with the username and password you just created, then choose a United States location. Now head back to Dreamina AI and refresh the page. You'll see that all features, video generation, avatar, and more, are now unlocked. Let's start with text to image. First, choose the last model available. Then set your image size, and select the resolution. Now type your prompt. For example, a teenage boy walking alone on a quiet street at sunset, wearing a hoodie and headphones, cinematic lighting, soft shadows, moody atmosphere, 4K, ultra detailed. Click Generate, and after a moment, here are the results: 4 images, Image 1. Looks good, Image 2. Really cool, Image 3. This one is amazing. Image 4. Not bad at all. On the right side, you'll see editing tools, like Remove, Expand, and more. Now, the image is in YouTube size, but let's change it to Instagram size using the Expand tool. Click Expand, choose Instagram size, then hit Generate again. You'll get another 4 images, same style, but now perfectly sized for Instagram. Now let's try another prompt. This time, a fluffy orange cat walking on a wooden floor in a cozy room, warm light coming from a window, bookshelves, and plants in the background, realistic style, 4K. Click Generate, and here are the results: Image 1, Image 2, Image 3, Image 4. The best part. The cat even has a shadow, it looks so real. Now let's test the Remove tool. Click Remove, increase the size of the selection box. Then select the cat and hit Generate. Here's the result: the cat is gone, but the shadow is still there. Why? Because we only selected the cat, not the shadow. Still, it works really well. Let's try one last prompt. A futuristic sports car driving through a neon-lit city at night, rain on the street, glowing reflections, cyberpunk style, dynamic motion blur, 4K. Click Generate, and here are the images: Image 1, Image 2, Image 3, Image 4. All of them look amazing, very sharp and stylish. Now, let's move on to the next part, text-to-video generation. First, click the AI video option from the drop-down. Then type your prompt. I'll use the same one I used earlier for the image, a teenage boy walking alone on a quiet street at sunset, wearing a hoodie and headphones, cinematic lighting, soft shadows, moody atmosphere, 4K. Next, choose the last video model, set the size to YouTube, and set the time to 5 seconds. You can also pick 10 seconds if you want. Now hit generate. Let's wait just a minute. And here it is. Wow, look how realistic it is. Even the cars in the background are moving. The lighting, the shadows, everything looks so real. Honestly, if I saw this video without knowing it was AI, I'd think it was a real clip. So cool. Now let's test the second prompt, the one with the fluffy orange cat from before. Click generate, and after a moment, here's the result. The cat is actually walking, and you can see its shadow clearly. It looks amazing and very realistic. Now let's try a new prompt, boy skateboarding near a mountain pass, sky bursting with pink and violet nebulas, hoodie flapping in the wind. Click generate, wait a minute. And here it is. Wow, just look at it. The background, the sky, the way the boy is skating, everything is full of motion and color. Honestly, this tool leaves me in awe. Now let's move on to the next part, image to video. This time, I want to turn the car image I generated earlier into a video. First, I downloaded the image to my computer. Then, I uploaded it back into Dreamina using the image to video option. Next, I added a prompt describing how I want the video to look. I just reused the same prompt I wrote when I created the image in the first place. Then, I clicked generate. Now, with image to video, it usually takes a bit longer, sometimes up to 30 minutes or less. But here it is, the result. Amazing, right? The motion, the reflections, and the quality, it really brings the image to life. Now, let's move on and try the next feature, AI avatar. First, open the drop-down menu and select AI avatar. Then, upload the image you want to use as your avatar. Next, you can either upload a speech audio file or simply write the speech text. For now, I'll just write a short line of text. Then click generate. Keep in mind, the avatar feature also takes a little longer to process. So give it a few minutes. Here's the result.
Hi, welcome to Rama AI YouTube channel. Hi, welcome to Rama AI YouTube channel.
The movement looks really cool, but I noticed that the mouth looks a little weird. To be honest, for mouth movement, I think HeyGen does a better job. If you want to learn how to make better avatars, check out the video I made earlier. It's already on my channel. Now, let's move on to the final part, Canvas. The Canvas tool helps you edit images and add text. It's great for making things like YouTube thumbnails. First, click the Canvas tab on the left side. Then upload the car image we made earlier. Now set the size, for example, choose YouTube size. Adjust the image to fit the frame properly. Next, click Add Text and type what you want. Let's say, car driving game, make the text bold, choose a color, and set the font size. Then, use the AI effect, this one is really nice. Click Generate, and you'll see the text turn into a beautiful design. Now, move the text into position, and you're done. Just click Export, and your thumbnail is ready to use. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.